I've been driving my car all winter and the windshield is pretty filthy. Today I got a new product. It's called WindshieldWOW. We're not sponsored. We have no affiliation whatsoever with this company. I saw this advertised on Facebook, I think, and it looks really awesome. This is gonna be my first time ever using it, so you guys will get to see, you know, basically how great it is or how much it sucks. I don't know, we'll find out. Hopefully it's great. Looked pretty awesome. Basically, there's these two magnetic parts, and they're each gonna get microfiber cloths, and then they're gonna, yeah, I'll just show you how it goes. All right, so I think the first thing you do is you take the one with the handle goes on top, stick it to the microfiber, and then we'll spray the crap out of it. I have the Armor All glass cleaner. I don't know what the best would be. Hopefully these things are gonna make it so it doesn't really matter what glass cleaner you use. In the videos, they literally just sprayed the crap out of it, so we will do the same. So take it and set it on here. And we'll do the same thing with the inside one. All right, so then we take this one and stick it to the inside. It's such a strong connection. And then basically all we have to do is be careful of the inside trim to make sure you don't knock off the inside magnet. So I think from here we just start. I've always had a hard time cleaning the inside of my windshield. It seems like no matter what I do, it always ends up streaky, foggy. It's always just been a frustration for me. So when I saw this, that was the main reason I got it, is because of how it cleans the inside of the windshield at the same time. There's some really stuck-on bugs. Well, that seems to do a pretty good job. Oops, see? I knocked off the inside one because I forgot about the mirror. I'm just gonna clean one half of the windshield. So you follow up the wet one with a dry one. So we'll do the same thing with the dry ones. And to me, this part would probably be key because I think that's why my windshield probably always ends up streaky and foggy, is because the cleaner always leaves like residue. It's definitely a little bit of a workout. These magnets are incredibly strong. So my brother's filming me and we just discovered, apparently I'm an idiot and I didn't put a cloth on the inside one. So make sure you're not trying to clean your windshield with no cloth like an idiot. We're bros, not pros. All right guys, you can see a huge difference. Yeah, you get, well, I think there's some scratches. It's an old windshield, but these look like bugs that it didn't quite get out. Yeah, I think all those little marks are actually just pits in the glass. But as far as cleanliness goes, I think it's done. Oh man, look at that line. All right, let's go clean the other half of the windshield. Magnets are definitely really strong, which I think is important for getting the good clean on the inside. All right, I think that's good for the wet ones. I like how the box just lets you line it up nice and easy. Pretty good design. Overall, I mean, it's a pretty cool product design. And it does say to get the best results to follow the wet cleaning up immediately with the dry cleaning. So I'm gonna take off the inside one now so I can clean around these edges. Man, that's so clear, other than all the scratches. I feel like I should do all my windows. Let's do it. I'm really happy with how this thing works. One reason I actually got this is because, especially during the winter, when you get that kind of smudgy fogginess, I'm hoping this will help eliminate that. All right, so it might be hard to see, but the windshield is perfectly clear. So it's definitely held up really well. I've been really happy with the lack of fogginess and just how clear it
how clear it stayed.
I think I can safely say I recommend this product. It is not cheap though. So the basic set, which does not come with the handle and only comes with one set of microfibers, is $70, I think, 60 or 70. And then this version, I think, is 120. So it's an investment, but it's also something I feel like you can use on all your vehicles. And as long as you take care of it, you'll be able to use it forever. So to me, with those kind of results, I definitely think it's awesome. But the rest of the car still looks horrible and dirty. Once the weather gets nicer, we're gonna do a video on fully detailing your car. I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned up. We're gonna clay it. We're gonna do the whole 9 yards. And then I'm even gonna attempt to ceramic coat, which I've never done before. So that will be interesting. Overall, I definitely recommend this product. It's a little expensive, but well worth it in my opinion. Later.